Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and the last traded price of GBP USD is 1.3336. This was the last traded price. Before we proceed, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY first, because we know we have a correlation with the US dollar. Usually when we see dollar going up, GBP USD goes down, or when dollar goes down, we usually see GBP USD going up. So if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD, I clearly mentioned that we have a trend line for US dollar, and if dollar breaks the trend line, there will be some correction, and the next support for US dollar would be at 96 level. So as per our expectation, it came down to the level of 96 and took support. But you can see that the selling pressure was extremely high, and because of the new coronavirus variant, US dollar is facing some selling pressure. So if the same selling pressure continues on Monday, then DXY will break the level. Okay, DXY will break the level, and the next support for DXY will be at 95.50. Okay, if DXY breaks the level, 95.50 will be the new support for US dollar, because there is a panic in the market because of the new coronavirus vaccine resistant variant. Okay, and moreover, we are also having PMI NFP coming out next week, and those two are market driving factors, so be very careful. Now the next question comes: there is also a possibility of some sort of recovery on DXY as well, because if dollar tries to take support at the level and bounces from this level, there will be some selling on GBP USD again. But surprisingly, when dollar was witnessing this kind of selling pressure yesterday, Euro USD had a good recovery. Really, Euro USD had a good recovery, but GBP USD did not go up. Okay, if you compare the chart of GBP USD with the fall of DXY, then you can see that GBP USD could not perform very well. So it clearly signifies that GBP USD is still under pressure, and therefore, unlike Euro USD, we have a very negative feeling, okay, negative vibe for GBP USD. So I'll say that going for a long position on GBP USD is still very risky, because we saw dollar falling yesterday, but still GBP USD failed to go up. So as a result, I'll say that if you have a buy position on GBP USD, then please do exit from buy position if it breaks the level of 1.3300. Yes, if it breaks the level of 1.3300, please exit. Okay, and on the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh opportunity on GBP USD, then I think we have two opportunities here. The first opportunity is if market breaks the level of 1.3300 level. Okay, if market breaks this level, this black line, and starts going down, we can take a sell position. Okay, but for GBP USD breaking the level and going down, we need a good recovery on US dollar. So if you are taking, or if you will be taking, or when you will be taking sell position on GBP USD, just make sure that dollar is bullish, dollar is going up from a good support. Okay, then only take a sell position, because that is your additional confirmation. And if GBP USD goes up, okay, in this small little pace only, if GBP USD tries to go up, then there is a good possibility of GBP USD facing resistance at this trend line. Yes, there is a possibility of GBP USD facing resistance at this trend line, or at the level of 1.343400. Okay, so these two are the next two resistances for GBP USD for Monday. So if these two levels starts acting as resistance and GBP USD reverses, then also you can take a sell position. Okay, then also you can take a sell position on GBP USD. But if you see on Monday dollar going down, dollar is witnessing heavy selling, then if GBP USD bounces well, goes or shows some good performance, then only take a buy position, because there are other better alternatives in front of you like Euro USD. Okay, so if dollar is falling and if you see that GBP USD is not going up that well, then why you should be risking your money on a chart that is not doing well? Look for other alternatives like Euro USD or gold. So let's see where the market goes. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD right now. If you think that there are some other opportunities or possibilities, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I also share one or two live signals. Apart from this, we also do many things. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Learn, trade, and earn. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.